Welcome to Best Bits Tip of the Day. Today we're going to talk about how to use the column chooser feature. Most people are going to go, I have no idea what you're talking about. So let me show you. There's some features on your software that you probably are not aware of. So when you come to a heading, all these headings can be changed. For example, right now we have items, sequence, custom ID. These can be moved. So I want my sequence first. It only makes sense for me. Sequence is just the order that you entered the item, keeps them in the same order as you enter them. Custom ID is very important, but most people are not using this feature because they're not aware of it. We'll talk about it in another video. Item description, quantity, cost and man hours, lookup index, long and short, and UPCs. So I don't even really want these in my view. I don't want to see these. So on any of these headers, right click, and you have column chooser. Select column chooser. It's going down into on the right side of your screen. So you can drag these headings and store them in here. Now you no longer have to look at them. If you don't use the custom ID, you can drag it down there as well. But that's a pretty good way to bring items in quickly. And then you can also add features. So if you hit add, you can come over and see that you might want. So any of these things can be added to the headings. So you can just go through here and look if there's anything that you want to do. If there was a heading that you wanted in here that wasn't there, you can highlight it and hit OK. It's going to be brought down into the screen right here. From this screen, you just simply drag and drop it into the heading, and that heading's there. So that's how you use the column chooser. There's other ways as well. On different screens, you may want different headings, but this is how you get to it. Simply right-click on any of the gray. If you right-click on any of the gray, it opens up this column chooser, and you can move in and move out your headings of your work. That's all there is to it.